he was fucking with the sucker, so we left him in it. Then nigga speaking on my name, I swear you better watch his mouth. So last nigga spoke, he was the worst to drop out. Bounce on his ass and I sucker did the dash. All that woofing on my name, we put your homie in the cast. And this fuck your dead homie, put that. And this fuck your dead homie, put his ass on the shirt. Ain't crying like a bitch, but ain't gonna slide for your bro. It's a whole lot of bodies. It's a whole lot of bodies. It's a whole lot of bodies on the floor like some flowers. Kill time, kill switch. My niggas do this every hour. My niggas do this. It's a whole lot of bodies on the floor. It's a whole lot of bodies on the floor like some flowers. Kill time, kill switch. We do this every hour. Got my LA niggas rocking and they really down the slide. Got my LA niggas rocking and they really down the slide. If you run up on Puma, best believe you gon' die. Oh! I said, what I say? I said, it's a whole lot of bodies on the floor like some flowers. Kill time, kill switch. We do this every hour. Got my LA niggas rocking with me. I'm finna go crazy, bro. It's a whole lot of bodies on the floor like some flowers. Kill time, kill switch. We do this every hour. Got my LA niggas rocking there, really down the slide. If you run up Puma, best believe you gon' die. Got my LA niggas rocking, and they really. I said, got my LA niggas really rocking with me on some cloud. It's a whole lot of bodies on the floor like some flowers. Kill time, kill switch. We do this every hour. Got my LA niggas rocking and they're really down the slide. If you ask about Puma, best believe you gon' die. Niggas yelling Puma K, that's the worst you ever did. That's the worst you ever did. What's up, bro?
What up, bro?
Is this the real JoJo?
Yeah, what up, bro?
Okay, what up, nigga?
Man, I heard here for you a while, man.
Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I thought I was a troller for a minute. I was gonna kick you.
Where is Katie grocery shopping?
No cap. I haven't heard from you in hella long. How you been, brother?
Good, man. I'm just trying to get rid of the cold, man.
Me too.
Yeah, I changed that.
Me too, bro. Me too. I'm trying to get rid of this flu myself, brother. I ain't heard from you, bro. You ain't been on my TikTok. You know I've been in the hospital.
No, bro. Shit. My friend fucking blocked me again.
What's up?
Fuck, man.
So who?
What? Hold on, let me get my dog in here.
Oh, go, Jojo.
Run.
Go.
Run. That be not it.
Love you, Mom.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, be upstairs. Yeah, girl, drive people crazy. Fuck. Yeah, I hate that shit, bro. Like, it's annoying shit, huh? Fuck. Hey, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I think I got a PS5, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, for Christmas. I can't wait till Christmas. There's like 3 days left.
Damn, bro.
Fuck, Yeah, so my friend blocked me because I guess he don't even know, he don't even remember me no more or something. I don't know.
Yeah, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I just been writing, bro. But you nigga this beat right here. Listen to this beat. Homicide. Friend, we don't do no new friends. Was fucking with suck, so we left for the again. Niggas speaking on my name this week. Better rap. Last niggas from the bro. He was the first to drop it out. Danced on his ass and I sucked it in the dick. And on my name, we put your homie in the deal. And smoke your beer when we put that ass on the shirt. Now you crying like a bitch, but ain't gonna slide for your bro. Look. We don't do no new friends. He was like in the den. Niggas speaking on my name this week. Better watch him out. Last nigga stuck my thing, put his ass in the cup. It's a whole lot of bodies on the floor like some flowers. Kill time kills, which we do this every hour. Y'all might LA niggas rocking and they really down the slide. If you waxing about you doing, just believe you going back. Niggas yelling Puma K, that's the worst you ever did. All that pumping in the seas, niggas sound like a bitch.
Hey.
Huh?
Yeah. Ah. Fucking cough. I hate this cough, bro. It's like not want to go away. Ah. How you been, bro?
Man, I've been good, man. I've been writing music. What's up, pressure, bro? Niggas don't go live with me no more. What's the what's the dealio, nigga? Niggas don't go live with me no more. Oh shit. I've been good, bro. I got this new song I'm about to make about this nigga named AMK. He keeps speaking on my mom, you feel me? So this is
Who's MK?
huh?
Who's MK?
Some nigga from Sacramento. I'm finna diss his ass though. I got a lot of songs I gotta know.
Oh.
I got all these beats. I don't wanna catch COVID. Fuck you, nigga. I ain't got COVID.
You got the COVID. There ain't no COVID.
Got me fucked up on bloods. Don't hurt me. I gotta really get better though. I ain't gonna lie though.
Yeah.
Hey. Any money, mom, catch a nigga by his toe. If we catch him out of traffic, we gon' let that thing go. Look, I said any money, mom, catch a sucker by his toe. If we catch him out of traffic, we gon' let that thing go. We gon' let that thing. I said any money, mom, catch a nigga by his toe. If we catch him out of traffic, we gon' let that thing go. Look, it's gonna be a homicide, it's gonna be some yellow tags, it's gonna be some dead niggas laying on the interstate. This internet is real, anybody will be killed. We don't care about your hood, where you niggas come from. You talking out the sun, but never been up in the trenches, never pulled up on the sun, even banged your hood out. You got pressed by your homie, you ain't even do shit, you ain't no step in this shit, you a straight ass bitch. Catch nigga by so if we catch him out of traffic, we gon' let that thing go. We gon' let that thing go. We gon' let that thing go. If we catch him out of traffic, we gon' let that thing go. We gon' let that thing go. We gon' let that thing go. You like a wood that juice gon' come. Frank, you stupid, nigga. Hey, look. This the average one. This the average one I made, though. This the remix. rims right here. This the AMK one. Listen. Alright, here we go. I said, any minute, money mo, catch a nigga by his toe. If we catch an AM code, we gonna let that thing go. Hey, I said, any minute, money mo, catch a nigga by his toe. If we catch an AM cat, we gonna let that thing go. We gonna let that thing go. We gonna let that thing. I said, any minute, money mo, catch a nigga by his toe. If we catch an AM cat, we gonna let that thing go. Yeah. Okay, and cash for you, nigga. Laugh, you been ghost for a minute, nigga. Where you been? Talking about you wanna pass, I don't do friends. All that saying buddy, that's some fake shit. 1 minute, you my rolling on some snake shit. I heard your ass got rolled up, y'all can use one. Broke nigga hella mad, that's why he tryna stun. Keeps his eyes on my feet like a Draco. That nigga come across my way, he gon' see the sun. Find out where you were to your sister. Cause once the demons get up with you, you gon' get scary. I really beat your ass like you stole some, and beat your ass so hard like I took your shit. What he said? I said, money up, catch a nigga by stuff. If we catch an AMK, we gonna hang up. We gonna hang up. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I stay with the beat stuff. Can't nobody rap battle me. None of my beats. Nobody can rap battle me in my beats, bro. And I'm just saying. Bro, that was a diss track on Geo on my mama. It was. I said, it me. I stop. If we catch an AM cat, we gonna let that thing go. Hey, bro, my mama, bro. I've been out on my ass and I ain't had shit. Hustling the block, really trying to get rich. They just trying to knock me down, hoping I don't shine, telling me to hang it up. Cause, bro, can't nobody rap like me, bro. I'm really lyrical when I rap. Like, literally, bro. I got this one. Let me see what this one is. Grinding on my life, she was ugly. They been trying to knock me down and say I'm hella weak. And ain't no way before me guess you'll ever love me. So please don't dab me, please don't dab me. I've been really trying to know my she was ugly. And they been trying to knock me down and say I'm hella weak. And ain't no way before me guess you'll ever love me. So please don't dab me. I'm grinding on my life, steady working on my path. Staying dedicated, really getting to that gap. I got haters everywhere, trying to bring down my name, saying that I'll never make it. And I really can't say, some cold ass game, and everybody by yourself. See that you with the gang, you thugging by yourself. I have mercy, tell you, even dead like the devil, so I can never trust the bitch, cause they don't forget the nails. Giving out the doctors, sending niggas to your house. You posted outside, loaded up tonight, you down, and your body on the ground. Playing like a flame, quarters on the sand with yellow tag where you stand. Yellow tag where you stand. Nobody on the man, now your ass in the sand. You don't know really stand, niggas that on paperwork since you been black. I love me, so I've been grinding on my life, she was ugly. And they trying to knock me down and say I'm hella weak. And they waiting for me, they should rather love me. So they don't love me, they don't love me. I've been grinding on my life, but she was ugly. And they try to knock me down and say I'm hella weak. And they waiting for me, they should rather love me. So they don't love me.
Hey!
I got hella beats, bro. Like, this shit ain't new to me, bro. Like, I got so many beats in here, bro. It's a fucking pity. I got,
Yeah.
I got my house for a minute.
What's up, bro?
I thought somebody was in my house for a minute.
Uh,
I got hella things in here. Hey, did y'all hear that? Did y'all hear that Mara got Latina? It's my door right here. I got other shit here.
You ain't never been in the streets like I am. You ain't never been in the bitch like I am. You ain't never been in the streets like I am. You ain't never been in the bitch like I am. You ain't never been in the streets like I am. You ain't never been in the bitch like I am. You ain't never been in the streets like I am. You ain't never been in the bitch like I am. I heard you like the gamble. Wiggle to the slums, you play it to the foe. Make the wrong move and we gon' strip the soul. Nigga, that's the good go. When the top will never been in the store. I heard that switch, nigga, I never fall. That's why she been the one that talk. Keep it on me, yeah, nigga, that's what we call you. Niggas on the friend, yeah, that's how it fall. I heard y'all man in the talk. That you good niggas never took a soul. Ain't tell a picture, ain't no catching on. Ain't trying to tap the phone. Nigga in the hood, you hate the song. Free the real niggas, fuck level fall. Finger face, fuck the fall. Fuck a bitch, break her out. Fuck a bitch, break her out. Fuck a bitch, break her out. You ain't never been in the streets like I have. You ain't never been in the bitch like I have. You ain't never been in the streets like I have. You ain't never been in the bitch like I have. You ain't never been in the streets like I have. You ain't never been in the bitch like I have. You ain't never been in the streets like I have. You ain't never been in the bitch like I have.
What type of relationship with us never in the streets? You tell me you a dog, but you will never bust your weed. Plus a flow on these steppers. And that brother, they was never really accepted. I gotta tell the truth, but you ain't really what you say. You said he gon' shoot, but it's a flag on the plate. You would never push the whistle with a slide down back. Turn it down, face saying you don't get it back. Or even get it walk up. They don't know your true stripes. What you really look like, what you live by the gun, you can't get another life. Sacrifice it all, it's really a son. And you ain't the beat, stay your ass up the street. So you gotta keep believing niggas die every day. You're not really on the beat, real recognize, bro. I got niggas doing dope, you know that big down, it's not faking in the field. I got rules in the streets that ain't running out for first. Don't you sell the sleep, niggas my day, and I got a couple souls, now you gotta wipe your face off. Every face when they trying to knock the nigga off. Being down slide, come to take a loss. When you run up on me, you better really think twice. I got soul snatchers, gotta take a nigga alive. Come on, nigga.
You ain't never been in the streets.
You ain't never been in the streets like I have. You ain't never been in the beef like I have. You ain't never been in the streets like I have.
You ain't never been in the bitch
Like I have.
You ain't never been in the streets
Like I have.
You ain't never been in the bitch
Like I have.
hey.
Yeah. You niggas ain't never been in the streets, man. Stop playing. You ain't never been in the streets. Y'all ain't never been in the streets, man, so stop capping. I'm tired, I ain't gonna lie.
Bruh.
What's the word, though, brother? How you been, though, man?
Good.
I'm about to drop another video. I'm gonna get out of the studio with everything.
Shit, man. I'm just.
Hey, Frank, I ain't gonna lie, nigga. I'm tired of the motherfucker. I'm tired of the bitch, brother.
What time did you wake up this morning?
Yeah.
Well, I went to the casino yesterday, man.
It was a what?
I went to the casino yesterday.
Nigga, I'm so tired, nigga. I'm over here picking my motherfucking face and shit. Like, over here picking my feet, picking my face like a fucking crackhead. He said no days off. My mom and nigga, no days off. I got a lot of work I gotta knock out. I got a feature on top of features. Niggas be so quick to do songs with me, but not want to fucking pay for features, though. That shit is crazy.
Uh-huh.
Hey, brother. Hey, Frank. right here. Facts, brother, my mama, facts. Niggas ain't trying to pay for no feature, ain't shit free over here. Niggas gotta pay. That's hard, my mom. That's what I'm saying, nigga. I got nothing but fucking bangers over here. Niggas be acting like they don't want to fucking pay for a fucking feature. Like, niggas broke. Like, nigga, fuck. I'm about to start my clothing line. You see that? A whole lot of fucking say less on this bitch. Feel me?
Bruh, I need to make my own merch too, bruh.
Say less around this motherfucker, man. Stop playing with me, though. First rapper to ever come out with a brand called Say Less. Stop fucking playing, bro. Real motherfucking Say Less. Fucking nigga, man. I'm the first rapper to ever come out with a label called Say Less Records. And these niggas ever came out of a fucking label called Say Less. Stop fucking capping, bro. You niggas just I'm the first rapper to ever come out with a label called Say Less. Stop playing. I'm the first rapper to get a motherfucking, cause they don't want to till you on niggas better hope on before a nigga blow. That's on Gio on my mama. Hey, first rapper to ever be in a video with a Mozzie tag. Hey, first rapper to ever come in a video with a Mozzie tag. Hey, first rapper to ever come in a video with a Mozzie tag, though. I'm the first rapper to ever be in a video with a motherfucking person. And mind you, he paid for the feature. He paid me for the feature. And he flew me out there. He gave me Uber to go out there. Trey Fudd was so my nigga, man. So my nigga, man. What that shit do, brother? I need to get on that fucking 304 remix, nigga. Let me know something. Holla at me, nigga. Breathe on the kids, nigga. You know what it is. What's up, brother? I'm in this motherfucker. I know niggas ain't busy. I know niggas ain't busy, brother. Tap in. Tired of them.
I thought you said Jay Breezy. Like, what?
No, not Jay Busy. I'm talking about, bro. Hey, first rapper to ever get a photo shoot, though, in Beverly Hills.
What's up, my nigga, boy?
What's up, nigga?
Shit, nothing but hey, kick this other nigga off the line real quick.
Hey, Joe, hold on, bro. I'm gonna add you back real quick. Hold up.
Yeah, nigga, we talking. Yo, what's up, my nigga, boy?
Yeah, nigga, I'm tired as fuck, nigga. I'm sick as fuck.
That is finger. I ain't doing shit, you know me, boy, in traffic with my thugs, you feel me?
When you touching down in the city.
What's up, my man, nigga, blood? My nigga, his stick say, what's up, my man, nigga?
That shit good, huh?
My mama, you know, boy, we the latest niggas. Yeah, we the latest niggas in the city, you know that.
My mama's nigga. What's poppin'?
Shit, nothing much.
What's up? When niggas finna slide to the city, nigga? So what? I can't hear you. Niggas finna slide to when niggas finna slide to the city.
I'll be out on my mama. I'll be out there soon, real soon.
It's good, nigga.
You know, I got that loud pack. come drop a little pack off to you. And
I'm ready to get this money, nigga. You already know what's up, nigga.
oh God, I was in the studio last night fucking around.
What's up? When you gonna let me hop on that 304 remix? You know I'm over here knocking out everybody's fucking features and shit.
Hold on, mama. What was I gonna say? You got a studio already?
Nigga, I got peoples that got studios.
Alright, I'm gonna send it to you. You gotta send me an email to send it to you.
It's good. Say less, nigga. I'm for sure finna do that. Cause I be fucking with my boy Stel Rose.
Yeah. Hey,
you was on that song too, man?
Huh?
No, I was talking to my other brother real quick. He was asking about this song.
Nah, I just did
I got
a
this
song.
other.
I just did a song with Mario Valentino. You feel me? I'm trying to fuck with my boy Trey Fall on that 304 shit. So I got some shit to say.
It's good, boy. I'm gonna send it to you. You gotta send me an email.
Yeah, it's all good, nigga.
I got you.
Good, nigga. I got gang of beats too, nigga. I stay with the beats.
You gotta send me some.
Good, nigga.
Whatever you send me, I'm gonna get on.
It's good. I'm about to, my producer finna send me some more beats. He finna send me a package.
Yeah. Whatever you send me, I'll get on.
Yeah. Good, nigga. I'm trying to get on that 304 though. I heard that shit, nigga. I was bumping that shit and I was like, okay, this motherfucker slap. That shit go, yeah.
Oh, my mama.
Nigga.
Yeah. Oh, this nigga out of pocket. Let me see. That's my little bro right there.
Oh,
Listen.
don't think.
Look, bro, this nigga out of pocket, bro.
Listen,
Yeah, you out of pocket, bitch.
Nah, this nigga hella funny, bitch on fab. Listen.
Bro, who you got up in that motherfucker, bro?
Hold on.
Sit down, nigga. Sit down, bro.
Bro, don't get your young Pookie back the
Who
fuck
said that?
dead homie.
You
Don't
got me
get that
fucked
nigga
up, bro.
backed out, bro.
You got my little nigga fucked up, man.
No, he got himself fucked up.
Don't get that backed out. You laughing to a nigga, you laughing into a nigga really get going.
Oh, God, why you bringing up OG?
Hey, you
Why
laughing
you bringing up OG?
laughing to a nigga really
I ain't never seen it. I thought it was just one incident, bitch. You got 4 incidents.
You bringing that nigga out of pocket, brother.
you better talk to these niggas,
That
bro.
nigga.
You know what happened to Mr.
He said on the line. He said, nigga told me to sit down, nigga. Okay. Okay, nigga. Answer, you went right into that motherfucker.
Man, y'all niggas better stop playing with me.
Hey, nigga, hey, you got a pocket, man. You should have went into it, nigga. Got off. You ain't cool.
What is killing?
Hey, nigga.
Bro, y'all niggas better stop playing with me. Got a retirement on y'all bitch ass niggas, man. For real. I'm gonna really start popping niggas. Niggas gonna think I'm wrong. Niggas better stop playing with me before I get out of retirement on you niggas. Bro, niggas was hating on dude. You gotta be careful. And hot niggas like that on G Great. Those type bad for business dude was in his and had you kick him on great. Man, dead homie, bro. These niggas better stop playing with me before I get out of retirement on these niggas and really start applying pressure. Niggas think that shit is so fucking funny until I really start applying pressure on these niggas. But like I said, the first rapper to ever take a picture in fucking Rodeo Drive, though. Stop playing with me. Niggas clowns. Niggas clowns. Bitch ass niggas, man. You over here got these niggas over here watching videos of me, bro. Like, what's up with that shit, bro? That shit's not even funny. I'm about to really get tired. Fuck this shit, bro. You know what? I know what I'm finna do. I ain't finna trip on that. I know what I'm finna do. I know what I'm finna do. Fuck those fools. Dude, your nigga rock with who you want to create your own server, but you feel me? Frank on GOD. The niggas is nerds. Weirdos.
Man, they need to stop doing that shit, man.
Fuck them niggas.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected successfully.
Is that D-Dude on the beat? Is that D-Dude on the
Fuck the niggas that you with, cause they can get it too. Nigga think the shit a gang until you see grave. I got fuck the niggas that you with, cause they can get it too. Nigga think the shit a gang until you see the grave. I got steppers near my way, gotta bust a grave. It's all fun and games until we meet his dead day.
Fuck, man. When am I gonna get rid of this cold, bro? Probably never.
Fuck the niggas that you with, cause they can get it too. You You roll with suck, you double suckers. This ain't bulletproof. That nigga dead and gone, and he ain't coming back. That nigga dead and gone, and that nigga dead and gone, he ain't never coming back.
Hey, brother. I'll talk to you later, man.
Alright, be smooth.
Yep, you too, bro. Take care.
Fuck with said that ain't bulletproof. That nigga dead and gone, and then he ain't coming back. That nigga dead and gone. The niggas try to do that. They on some weird shit. I put that on great. T Puma, keep looking out for your dog on Geo. Shit like that gon' pop up, but stay down with your day ones on Geo. Bruh, that nigga's a real life hoe. Like, why the fuck would you get on my live with that weird shit though? Like, niggas is weird, bruh. You call yourself my brother, and you got these niggas over here looking at me some type of way. A real nigga, but hey, bro, don't be doing that shit. That shit ain't good. That's some sucky shit if you ask me. Like, I don't fuck with niggas like that. I keep niggas like that out of my circle. That tells me you might try to snake me on the low.
Is that Gigi on the beat?
Fuck them niggas that you lost, cause they can get it too. Nigga think this shit a game, city great. I got steppers in my way, that'll bust your grape. It's all funny games until we meet this dead day. Fuck the niggas that you with, cause they can get it too. Nigga think this shit a game until you see it great. I got steppers in my way, that'll bust your grape. It's all funny games until we meet this dead day. It's all funny games until you see it dead day. I got niggas in my way, that'll bust the grape. Look. Fuck them niggas that you walk, cause you can get it too. You roll with suckers, you double suckers, this ain't bulletproof. That nigga dead and gone, he ain't never coming back. One call to that nigga, they gon' get him flat. But they play me like a bitch, and I don't keep a strap. You come to LA with that shit, you get your face flat. Niggas try to do that. That's some weird shit. Don't take no L's. Bro, man, that's what I'm saying, bro. That nigga weird, bro. Fucking with niggas like that, that's some sucky shit, bro. Like, I call you my so-called brother, and you over here trying to, what? Niggas is weird. I'm gonna stop calling niggas my brothers. That gives me the point I can't trust niggas. That gave me the point I can't trust niggas, bro. Like, I don't know, man.
Hey, bro.
What up?
Do you mind if my brother, Jay, can go live with us?
Who?
Jay.
Who's Jay?
You know my brother, him. Brother, are you there?
Yeah, bro. Hop on, bro.
I know. Put me in a group chat. I'm finna end this live and restart it.
Alright, bro.
All right.